Hi guys, Lainey here from Spectrewaves Paranormal. Tonight we're in Eaton Rapids, Michigan at the Stimson Hospital. We captured some great paranormal activity, some great evidence. So go ahead, share our videos with everybody. Comment on our videos, like us, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our videos. Lainey here from Spectrewaves Paranormal. Good night, you guys. They're right there. Oh my God.
What?
There's like a bunch of them for a second there.
Really? Is that where all you guys are hanging out?
Yeah, they're going up there. He flew up there.
What?
Yeah, they're flying up there. They flew up there. Look at, I'm gonna check this out. Watch. Again, it flew up there. Watch, look at, you see them?
Oh, wow.
They keep going up there. They come from here and they go up there.
Is that where you guys reside?
I know what that is. I thought at first I was hitting something. Look at, there's another one on the side.
That's
Was
me.
that you? Okay. There's another one. See him? On
Yeah.
the left? They like jump or something.
Are you guys up there? Can someone peek their head over the top so we can see it, please?
What does this say? Digital dowsing. Unhandled has occurred in your play. Continue. Ignore this error.
Just ignore it.
Continue. We gotta make sure this recorded. We got something on the side right here.
Okay, so you guys are up there.
Wow, wow. Look at all these guys.
It's like a portal. It's like a portal. It's me.
What are you doing? Okay.
It got stuck on the thing.
All right.
All right, you guys. If there's anybody up there.
Makes you want to just get the other connect, huh?
I don't know.
There he is. There's another one too. Wow, look at, he walked up there. Oh my God. There was stairs. All these people. Don.
I'm right
Oh
here.
my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, I get goosebumps. The dude walked like stairs. Like, you know what I mean?
Right.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that was the coolest thing.
Like it was stairs still here and he walked up.
Yeah. Oh my God, I got goosebumps from that.